Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle and today we are walking around the TechGropse office to find out what everyone actually works on here. Hi, what's your role here?
So my role here is as a business development executive. I connect with businesses and understand their challenges and try to understand their pain points as well, from their business vision to business model, and understanding their requirements and providing with technical and scalable solutions, and from inquiry, then sign off, then successful project kickoff.
So you are the first friendly face our clients meet and the bridge between great ideas and great products.
Yes, so basically my role includes lead generation and prospecting, client consultation, requirement discovery, solution selling, then proposal and project estimation, and client relationship management, sales pipeline management, and handover and project takeoff.
Okay, so your role is turning conversations into collaborations and ideas into successful partnerships.
Absolutely.
Okay, Pratik, so what do you do?
I build AI-powered features for our clients, such as chatbots recommendation system, AI automation that make their apps smarter.
Okay, so what are your key responsibilities?
So, as an AI engineer, my role mainly includes creating AI agents for complex workflows. I build AI models and fine-tune the existing AI models, fit AI into the legacy system to make their system smarter. And I also help in pre-sales as a technical consultant and help them to plan the solution. And I also, integrate AI and plan how to integrate AI to achieve the business requirement and to fulfill the business goal.
Okay, that sounds very futuristic. Hello sir, what do you do?
So I basically shape how TechGropse communicates with the world and to the businesses, especially in the GCC region. And as you know that I'm from the marketing team and I work on various projects related to marketing. And my work closely aligns with the senior SEO professionals and the marketing manager.
Okay, every great brand has great stories and he is the one who tells.